During a negotiation, you are about to ask a difficult question to your counterpart. How do you know if you're getting the truth or not? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Let me share with you 6 strategies that can help you to deal with this challenge. First one, ask direct questions and spot hesitations. The second one, as you ask your direct question, see whether the other person is answering something else. What I mean is that many people do not like to lie, but they're okay with misleading, so they will be replying something different in order to avoid the difficult question. Gather information from multiple sources. As you collect information from different sources, you may be more easily able to spot the lie. Fourth strategy, set a trap. What do I mean is ask a question that you already know the answer and check what kind of reply you get. For instance, I used to do it when I was a procurement director. Then, I may be asking a question like, the cost breakdown of a material or whatever, and then depending on the kind of answer that I will get, I will be able to judge about the trustworthiness of my counterpart. A fifth idea, ask multiple questions to get more clarity and to challenge the other party. For instance, let's imagine that you're a salesperson and the buyer tells you, oh, I got a lower price from somebody else. Then a skilled salesperson may be asking a number of follow-up questions. When did you get this offer? What was included in the offer? Did you get the offer in writing? And of course, if the buyer does not reply those questions, then you may start to be a bit suspicious about the statement. Sixth strategy, and also my favorite one, make a contingency agreement. What do I mean? Is an agreement which is based on a fixed part and a variable part which will depend on a future outcome. Let's be specific. Let's imagine that you are a buyer and the supplier tells you, yes, we are going to be able to deliver the project on time, no problem. Or maybe you are a salesperson and the buyer tells you, oh, we are going to buy a big volume from you, but you're not quite sure. Then what I will do in those kind of situations is rather than agreeing a fixed price, make a fixed price and then a variable price, an incentive and a penalty that will depend on what is really going to happen in the future. Now you have 6 strategies that can help you to spot a liar. I hope you will find them useful. And for more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.